talk to you about the 1 mile jogging test and the 1 mile walking test. You'll need a clipboard, a stopwatch, and a flat surface, ideally a 400-meter track. The jogging test is developed for clients between the ages of 18 and 29. Before the test starts, you're going to have your client warm up for 2 to 3 minutes.
What's the chance of rain this time?
The walking test is developed for clients for ages 20 to 69. And like the jogging test, a warm-up will be needed beforehand. This one will be 5 to 10 minutes, and your client will just briefly warm up, walking until their muscles are warm enough to perform the test. Client is warmed up. You'll find a mark on the track for start and finish. Finishes the test and crosses the line, you will then take her heart rate by either her using her carotid artery or radial artery. After the test is complete, you will then use one of these two equations to calculate your client's VO2 max. For the jogging test, you will take 100.5 minus 0.1636 multiplied by the client's body weight in kilograms. You will then subtract 1.438 multiplied by the time it took the client to finish their mile. Then subtract 0.1928 multiplied by their heart rate, which you should get immediately after the client finished the test. You then add 8.344 and multiply it by either 1 for a male or 0 for a female. This will give you the client's VO2 max after performing the 1 mile jog test. Now, if your client had to perform the walk test instead of the jog test, the equation that you use is a little different. This equation is 132.853 minus 0.0769 multiplied by their body weight in pounds this time, minus 0.3877 multiplied by the client's age in years. You then add 6.315 multiplied by either 1 for males or 0 for females. You then subtract 3.2649 multiplied by the time it took them to finish their mile, and then minus 0.1565 multiplied by the client's heart rate. This equation should give you your client's VO2 max after performing the 1 mile walk test.